How's it going there, guys? It's the 10th time recording this video because I've been interrupted by people that live with me, but it's okay. Anyways, if you've had troubles with Windows 10, Windows 11, either or, and memory core protection, then this is the right video for you. So I had an issue with Logitech compromising my security because the memory protection features of Windows 11 wouldn't turn on with my Logitech drivers, which are outdated. They're not secure. So what I did to fix this for Windows 11 is I decided to open up the command terminal as administrator mode. I put in two commands, and then I will put in the description. The first command lists your drivers. You want to find the Logitech one, and then you want to find OEM, and then there's two numbers afterwards. You want to find the Logitech ones, write those down, keep those handy, and when you do your second command, just replace the two X's and the arrows left and right, and it should delete those drivers. The next thing you need to do is you need to get rid of the drivers that Logitech uses for their software for your outdated camera. I will put a article, a web page for this, but the main one you want to find, and right below this or above it, you will literally find the next one. But the one you want to look for is lvbflt64.sys. SYS. You want to move those to another folder or delete it. Once you get rid of that, in whatever way you want to get rid of it, you should be able to turn on your memory core protection. After that, you want to go to your device manager and plug your webcam in. When I went about it, I had to update the drivers through Windows Update, which you can do by right-clicking the selection of your webcam. So it will be in, it typically is in System Devices. If not that, then Universal Serial Bus Controllers. I have no way of editing this video. Scrap what I said before. It's only in Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You will find your webcam. It will be with a yellow triangle. Update it. Let Windows find the drivers, and then you got your webcam working. It will work. Next thing you want to get is Logitech camera settings. You can easily get this program, download that, and update it as much as possible. Then you'll be able to use your webcam again, and you will have a secure Windows again. Thank you for watching. Take care. If you'd like to find me on my other social medias, Lean Cuisine the Rapper, Pistol Gaming 007, Lean Cuisine Show. That's on Facebook. Take care and have a great day.